ABI equipment brings speed, agility, and precision to every job. For 14 years, ABI has been bringing best-in-class machines and pull-behinds to the landscape and sports field markets. In 2010, ABI changed the game for sports turf crews when we created the Infield Rascal for ball field maintenance. In 2011, ABI revolutionized ball field grooming with the first-ever zero-turn turf maintenance machine to optimize speed and versatility for crews. No one does it like ABI. In 2013, the Rascal MVP premiered ABI's patented VibraFlex technology, making safe, consistent ground easier than ever to maintain. In 2018, the Infield Grader was created to be pulled by zero-turn lawnmowers and ATVs, so no team or budget would get left behind. In 2019, building off our revolutionary laser grading technology from 2016, the Z18 got an upgrade to a new, more powerful platform. In 2024, a new era of ground care took the stage with a specialty machine that can turn while aerating. And now we have evolved once again to include our latest innovation, the ABI Loader. In 2022, the idea for a loader was sketched on a kitchen napkin. Coming in 2026, it's a reality, breaking ground and causing uproar in the industry. Let our mark help leave yours. ABI Equipment.